So today I'm here at Mu Kratha restaurant to try the traditional Thai hot pot known as Mookatha. So I'm super excited and the grill is waiting for us, so I'll be quick. And if you want to join us, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Let's go. So we are going to start our grill, and Gates is lubricating the grill with pork fat, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's pork fat. And now, since it's all lubricated, we are going to add our meat real quick. So we have our meats and vegetables right here. So first we're going to start with some meat. What are we adding? We're adding pork first. Pork.
And fish.
Fish.
Only fish.
Dory fish.
Pork liver.
Liver. Oh, not my favorite. So we're going to now add the vegetables in the side. So we have our grill along with the soup in the corners.
Yes.
So we're going to add all the vegetables in the soup and the meat in the grill. It's getting really hot really quick. So we got to start as soon as possible.
Try.
More soup. Wow. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try my first bite of the Mookatha. We'll start with the pork. Looks perfectly grilled. Got it. So this is going to pair with the special Mu Kratha sauce. It's like, yeah, it's really delicious. They say it's really delicious, and it's the special sauce over here. You won't get anything similar to this anywhere else. So I'm gonna try this with the pork. I don't know how to use chopsticks, so dip this really well. Okay, take a bite. Wow. It is a grill with the pork fat, so it has a very good aroma. It's well grilled. It's a very delicious flavor. I think they add something to the meat. It has a very delicious flavor. I love it. Wow. I'm going to take some vegetables now. Some mushrooms now. Okay. Maybe more pork. Okay. And I'm gonna add some of the sauce on it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And mix it up. Ooh. Whew. It's a lot of like smoke going on, so I think it's really hot. So good. The sauce is absolutely delicious. It's a bit spicy. It's in the back of my throat. But it's delicious. I love spicy food, so oh my god. Mushroom. Oh my god. Amazing.
I will try. It's my turn.
Ooh. Wow, it looks perfectly grilled.
Yeah. You dip. Special sauce.
Yeah.
Very hot.
Good?
Nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Vegetables.
Yeah. A little bit. Soup is smell good.
Yeah, it smells really nice. I think it's like the charcoal that's inside.
Yes. Nice. Recommend.
Recommend, yeah. Fish is stuck.
You like fish? Think oh, it's burn already. Oh, cannot eat.
Yeah, one downside of like eating Mookatha is that you have to be sure, like, you know, you put the meat for a certain amount of time or else it starts burning. So you gotta be sure for that. But it's okay, like, I don't really mind. So I'm gonna. Okay, so Gates has added glass noodles and egg to the mixture. Wow, look at that.
Your favorite.
Looks absolutely delicious. Can't wait to try. Now I'm gonna try the glass noodles.
Yeah, your favorite.
Wow, it looks really nice. I'm really tempted to try this. I'm gonna take some for myself. Woo. Okay, maybe some of the pork. And some vegetables, of course. Oh my god. Usually whenever you put the glass noodles in this, it gets everywhere around. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna add some of the sauce. Okay. Okay, there you go. All right. Take a bite. The sauce is amazing. It can make anything taste like 10 times better. I love it. I think it has a lot of sesame seeds in it as well. So it gives another like earthy flavor to the food, and it gives like, as well as like the grill, like the pork fat, everything it adds to up to the flavor and creates another experience. I don't think you can get this kind of hot pot experience in any other place other than Mu Kratha, of course. This is absolutely delicious. Guys, as you can see, this is where the charcoal grill is burning. Wow. This is where the basic like hot pot Mu Kratha is being like made as ready made, so that like more people can, you know, like come and they can be easily served as soon as possible. So this looks amazing. This is like the traditional, this is as traditional as it gets when it comes to Thai hot pot. Okay guys, so now for the last round we have seafood. So first we're gonna try octopus. It's a mini octopus. We also have shrimps and squid. So we're gonna start with octopus though. Special sauce. Trying to lather it with the sauce. Okay. Really good, very chewy, very delicious. I'll try the squid now. Wow, the octopus is amazing. Squid. Very flavorful. Seasoned quite well. It has like sesame seeds, so it's really, really, really delicious. And with the sauce, it's just amazing. Shrimps. Okay guys, so that was our complete experience of Mookatha, which is the traditional Thai hot pot. And personally, I feel like there's nothing like Mookatha. I don't think I've ever had any hot pot like Mookatha. It's very traditional. The flavors are quite different, and it's just a very good experience. And I would definitely recommend you to come to Cha U restaurant, which is very famous for the Mookatha. And as you can see behind me, people are lined up. People are really like crowded to eat here. So it's that good. And it's located in Ratchayothin. So it's very easy to get here. You can, it's between BTS Ratchayothin station or Phahon Yothin 24 station. So you can either get down in either of them and take a bike, which is around 25 baht to get here. So it's not very difficult to get. And I mean, if you're in the city, it's not that easily accessible, but you can always take the BTS. It's very easy here. So yeah, like I would definitely recommend you to come here and try the Thai Mookatha with your friends, your family, anybody close to you, maybe even a date. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe.